Congratulations to Indian Rice Exporters Federation for organizing Bharat International Rice Conference 2025, which aims to bring together the various stakeholders in agricultural commodities sectors with focus on exports, promoting India as the global leader in rice trade. In the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, our priority is clear: quality, safety, and affordability, and trust from the farm to consumer. India is not only the largest producer and a leading exporter of the rice, but also a nation deeply committed to ensuring the food and nutrition security for every household. While we expand our presence in the global markets, we remain steadfast in protecting our citizens through a robust public distribution system that guarantees access to free and safe food grains. We are determined to uphold the highest standards of the quality, strengthen the systems of traceability and labeling, and promote sustainable value added rice products. Our approach is farmer first and consumer centric, ensuring that growth in exports goes hand in hand with the prosperity of the farmers and food security for all. Over the next 5 years, we aim to reform and modernize the public distribution system, double agri and agri-based exports, and open new global markets for Indian rice.